Co-op 1, number 1, hunter throwing a spear at a lion. Now the first thing I did on this problem was I chose to put the origin right here where the hunter is. So here's my XY plane. And next I want to break up this angle here into its XY components. And to do that I used cosine 20 degrees equals x divided by 30, and the 30 is just this distance there. And putting that in the calculator, you get x equals 28.19 meters. And to do the y portion, you do sine 20 equals y 30, and y equals, we're going to do negative since this is in the negative part of my xy plane, negative 10.26 meters. Okay, using the first kinematic equation, we do x equals x naught plus v naught t, and x is just this x up here, 28.19 equals x naught is just going to be 0 plus, now this v naught is just going to be the magnitude here, 18 meters per second, and then the cosine, so 18 cosine theta times t. You solve for t, and t equals 28.19 divided by 18 cosine theta. Now the second kinematic equation would be y equals y naught plus v naught t plus 1/2 at squared. And you use the y that you got up here. Negative 10.26 equals y naught is 0 plus v naught is 18 sine theta, and then you plug in this t that you got up here, and that's 28.19 divided by 18 cosine theta plus 1/2 negative 9.81, just gravity, and plug in that t again, 28.19 cosine, I think I'm going to fit on one line, yay, and square it. And to solve for theta, you get two answers. You get theta equals 66.3 degrees, or theta equals 3.7 degrees. Now, if I was a hunter, say I've got a spear, and I'm on a hill, and I see a lion. It's a mad lion. A giant lion too. Not very proportional, but that's okay. And I had to throw a spear at him. I would want to throw it at the smaller angle at 3.7 degrees to hit the lion more or less straight on, rather than up at 66 degrees and do like a curve here, because I would think that the force would be greater at this smaller angle than up here, because you have to go up and then you got to go down. So my choice for if I was a spear wielder would be the 3.7. It just makes more sense.